Hello, this is One Person Studio here. So this is episode 10 of my series in coding game where I solve algorithmic puzzles. So let's start with this puzzle, horse race and duels. So what will I learn by solving this puzzle? So I need to handle large arrays and gain experience with their processing time. So I'm going to have to use loops as a fundamental skill, okay? Okay, for the statement. Alright, so I have to find two numbers that are closest to each other among a list of numbers. The list might be large, and I have to force the search for the best possible algorithmic complexity for my solution. So yeah, this is the story right here. So it's a race between two horses. I have to find the horses with the closest strength. Okay, alright, let's do it. Alright, I'm still gonna code in Python because Python is my favorite programming to program. And the goal is, okay, during a duel, only two horses will participate in the race. In order for the race to be interesting, it is necessary to try to select two horses with similar strength. Okay. So I need to write a program which, using a given number of strengths, identify two closest strengths and show the difference with an integer. Okay, with this. Alright. So this is line 1. Basically this for loop. So n is basically the number of horses, which is 2. And the for loop is p is strength. Basically, pi is basically the strength of each horse. And output is, which is here, the difference between the two closest strength. And d, it's not here, but d is an integer greater than or equal to 0. Alright. What I normally do is I kind of program my own code and then compare it to this code. And I want to simplify it. So what I want to do is, basically I want to keep this. I want to keep this for sure. And we're going to use an empty list. So L equals empty list. So this is a empty list which will store the values of each horse's strength. That's what it does. And we're going to do, so we need to find out what is the maximum strength, which is this. So m equals this, and basically m is short for maximum. We could do max, but I decided to put m instead. So I want to add a for loop. So I want to amend this because I like this. Basically, I just want to append it. So I want to append the list, which is pi, to this. So what this does is this for loop will store all the values in the list, which is this. And then what do I need next? So I need to I'm gonna use the sort method, and the reason why I'm using the sort method is because I want to use the sort method because I want to sort the list to improve time time operation. And I want to add another for loop to calculate the difference between each horse's strength. So for loop for calculating this, let's say like the small difference. The difference is between each horse's strength. So for I in range, which is n, the number of horses, I want to do this equals to abs, and I want to do list. The square brackets will be I, and I want to minus it with L, square brackets, I minus 1. So I want to do an if statement. So if res is less than m, the maximum strength, then the maximum strength is equals to res. And I'm going to print out the maximum strength. I think that should be it. Yeah, there you go. Let's do it again. There you go. So well, there you go. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.